So, unlike Samsung, Pixel and Motorola don't have a toggle for automatically turning on the speaker when you answer phone calls. But there is a way to have your phone calls automatically go on the speaker instead of the earpiece. And the way you do this is by using Google Assistant or Gemini for your phone calls. Let me show you how it's done. So, if you're making an outgoing call, instead of going to the phone app and dialing there, you would just hold down the side button of your phone and say, "Call Mom," or "Call John," or whoever you want to call. When you make the call that way, through the Assistant or Gemini, your phone's going to put that phone call audio automatically on the speaker instead of routing it into the earpiece. For incoming calls, we can do that using quick phrases. So again, we'll be relying on the Assistant instead of pressing buttons on the screen, and that'll put the incoming phone call's audio on the speaker. To set that up, we'll go to Settings, and then I'll go to Apps. In the App Settings, we're going to scroll down and look for the Assistant menu. And once you're there, pretty far at the bottom, you'll have a menu for quick phrases. Tap that and you'll see a toggle for incoming calls, and that's the one we'll want to turn on. What this does is it allows you to skip saying "Hey Google" when you're getting a phone call. Instead, when the phone rings, you just say one word. You say "answer," or you say "decline," or you can say "silence" if you want to mute the call. Basically, when this is enabled and you say "answer" to accept a call, the phone is going to answer the call and it will put the audio on the speaker automatically. And that is how you have your calls go automatically on the speaker on Pixel and Motorola phones. Click that like button if this video helped you, share it with a friend who needs to learn this, and subscribe for more. Thanks all, until next time.